Well, they are spicy, I guess. I'm actually here just as moral support, to be honest. Well, let's see. Oh, I mean, it was a great catch. Yay! Yay! Well, hi!
Hello!
So, we did another thing.
Back to being annoying, but now with me.
Exactly. I mean, I'm holding it, but it's hers. So, yes. The thing is, we got another exclusive access for the name. The Air Jordan 1 OG Retro Patina, which is like
they have two names, but yeah, Patina is one of them.
So we decided to buy them just because.
Just because it was exclusive access.
Like we did last
basically.
time. But we're gonna give you this time like an honest review because the other ones I was sure that I liked them, they were cute. This one
she was being annoying.
This one we have mixed feelings about them. So we're gonna give you like the honest review and see how we feel about them. Well, how Laura feels about them because it's her size. Because for example, you are size 8 in men's,
yes,
US men.
Yes, US men, it's a 41 in European size. So
yes.
We're gonna open the box now.
Unbox them.
Yeah.
I'm actually here just as moral support, to be honest, because it's not even mine. I'm just like, well, let's see.
Yes.
So yes, let's unbox.
Do you wanna pull it, Carla?
No, you can pull it.
I can pull it.
You can pull it. Nice. Oh, we're back with the coffee. Meanwhile, I'll just keep talking.
Okay. Are we ready?
I mean, yes. Where is the box? Why the boxes are always so different? Does anyone know about this? Yeah. Because mine is like the Jordan with the white and then like goldish. This is Nike one.
Yeah, but and the one I have is Nike one, but the box is red.
Well, they are spicy, I guess. It's a way of saying it. Yes, let's see them.
Let's see them. Of course.
I mean, yes.
Marguerite. Okay, maybe let's take out the shoe.
Maybe. I did not see. Okay, so they are dark.
They are dark.
I mean, they are not that ugly. I mean, they look men-ish.
I mean, yeah, they are men.
I mean, I love this area though. Well,
Yes.
let's take them both out.
Yeah, sure.
No, there are no like shoelaces on. Why though?
I don't know, they are inside.
Because mine had some laces on. So this is the shoe. It's so informal, this unboxing again. It's like, well I think my coffee.
Let's give a more professional unboxing meanwhile. Here we are.
No, but actually, I mean, the only thing is that it's really dark.
It's very dark, so
but
that,
for example,
that feels more like
men-ish.
men. Yeah.
But this area, I really like it.
Yeah, me too.
The back area.
Me too. And then there's this part which is like kind of bronze.
Yeah, like dark bronze, metallic.
Yeah.
It's really nice, and this detail is like mint color. You can see
Aww,
it. And then it has
that's
like
our color.
It actually is our color too. Yes, it is. And here it has like the Air Jordan sign. And then this is like padded also.
They feel like, I think they are like so soft inside. So they must be comfy.
I mean, the ones I have are comfy, but mine are like the mid, and this is like high.
Yeah, yeah, true.
So we will see how they fit because we don't have any like this.
And I'm gonna try the size because I don't know, I don't have any Jordan. So we'll see if it's my size or
because
not.
she wanted to try mine, but I was too scared.
She was like, be careful, they are cute and they are new. And I was like, okay, never mind.
She was like, well, never mind, I'll get some and then I'll see if I like them or not.
Yes.
So that's how it went.
Basically.
So we have like to put the laces up and fit them, and we'll show you. But as a close-up, I mean, this area is so nice.
This area is so
This
nice.
is so pretty.
Yeah.
Wait, they are mint. Actually, wait, wait. Do you see?
I was gonna put like the black ones, but
Well, here there are some like mint ones, but the thing is, if you use the mint, risky.
Yeah.
But wow, that's a spicy.
wow.
It's not bad. I mean, it's weird, but it's great. I like it.
Mixed feelings.
Mixed feelings, but I like it. Or maybe. Okay, so we moved a bit because the sun was blinding, but yeah, we're pretty bad at putting the laces on, so we need a reference, which is my baby. Okay.
There's so many holes.
So many holes, and I'm just so confused, and I haven't done anything yet. Like
She's
truly,
like, am I doing it okay? And she
but the
hasn't.
thing, I really don't know.
No, because you have to put it.
Oh, so I fucked up.
Yeah.
Okay, Laura, I don't know. If I keep talking, I can't focus.
Okay, then
Shut up. No, I'm not gonna do that.
then wait until I finish this one
You wanted me to put someone on. I was trying.
because I thought it would be faster.
Well, if you explain. We're like a married couple. It's so annoying.
Want me to explain what?
How to put them?
Wait, what is this?
I haven't done anything. It was like this.
Okay, starting from here.
Okay, now maybe I get it. There was something
Okay,
off about it. Well, we will try to speed this up. Sorry. I honestly have an obsession now with these shoes. It's like I want them all. Oh, it's a problem. I mean, I already have a problem with shoes that I did not need. Have an obsession with this.
I really did not need you to have another obsession.
I wake up and I just check sneakers up. I go to bed, I check sneakers up. The middle of the day, I'm in the toilet. I can't stop. She's struggling.
Yeah, because they're like very.
Yeah, no, never. I mean, that's the thing. With mine, that's why I was scared to let her try mine. Because they're so narrow and like hard and bedtime. Meanwhile, me, hey. We're so annoying. I'm so sorry. If everyone was trying to watch this like professionally, like should I buy these shoes? Meanwhile, I'm rambling around, being a mess with the laces.
It's what we do.
It's what we do. Yes, exactly.
And they are still not going in, eh? I'm actually shaking.
She's been doing that for so long. How did they actually wait? You.
Jesus Christ. What is that face, Carla?
It's a happy face. Només cal explicar la gangueta.
trying them on. They are so soft inside. They're so comfy. Yes, took a while to put them on, but
Wow.
yeah. The size is perfect. So it's same trick as Carla. It's just same size I have with my Vans,
Yeah.
and one more size than I have with Converse.
Okay, guys, so this was another unboxing. As I said before, we tried to film this more professionally, but it does not work for us, I think.
It's not our thing.
We were doing the coffee meanwhile, so yeah, there's that. But still, I hope this video like helped you. If you have any doubts, you can ask down below. And also, I hope it was like funny at least. We tried.
Yeah, well,
I mean,
mostly I hope it was helpful for you.
yeah.
And
And you could see the shoe, and if you like it, if not, if you want to buy it. I don't know right now with resale how much it is, but in case you're doubting, maybe this video helped you. And as I said, if you have any questions, you can tell us down below, and we'll try to reply to them.
we hope we can bring more unboxings to you because
We hope the next
Carla
one maybe more
is-
professional obsessed.
Yeah, obsessed.
Mm.
So she wants more shoes. So good for you.
Good for you, not for my bank account, but good for you if you are like want more unboxings.
Yes.
And yeah,
If you like this video, click like,
subscribe,
subscribe, and
see ya.
We'll see you.
Bye.